Hi guys, I thought I would do another little tour of my toolbox because it's been a while and I have got newer stuff for it, so at least I don't think I have showed you. So well, I'll give you another little tour of it, and we'll go from there. So I'm just going to clear some stuff out of the way because, of course, pile everything down in front of the toolbox is the best thing. Most annoying thing. Well, that's my old steering knuckle. I'm going to take this bearing out because I can do that. Because if I turn it over, it's just 4 bolts. So basically, the bit that I'd worn was where the bottom arm connects in, and I'll show you that because I've got 2 bottom arms here that are brand new, which I did not need to replace, which is sods law, of course. So let me show you how bad it is. So as you can see, it's in. I'm trying to think which way is the best way now to show you so you can actually see. So me and my dad did it up as tight as we could, which was no tighter, and well, let me of course that yeah, it was it should be like that. I know it's not done up, but I bought a second-hand steering knuckle and I had to hammer it in, which you normally have to do. So yeah, put this underneath because it can live underneath my toolbox for now. So this is my toolbox, obviously. It cost £1,500. We're over in the UK, so it's pounds. Yeah, it wasn't cheap, but I'm just clearing stuff off the top quickly. But it holds everything that I need to hold, and it allows me to expand as well if I ever got back into it. But because obviously my health and stuff, it got in the way. So as you can see, there's ECU, the filter, screwdriver, other stuff that is not mine, that's all friends, rags, CB antenna, oil, part of my broken brake bar. So we'll come to the first drawers here. Top one here is for my screwdrivers. There's one missing because it's out in the shed, I think. So screwdrivers. These are impact ones, so you can hammer them. Next one is, yeah, well, all sorts, as you can see. Next one is spanners. So got diddy ones there, got ratchet, like half ratchet, like the smaller sizes. And I'm gone from 6 all the way to 22. I want to get 2 more to finish that off. The next one down is more spanners. Got ring spanners. Got the spanners for your brake lines. So basically your brake line fits down through that, and then you can put that on so you got more grip on the actual thing itself. Here's my ratchet spanners. full length ones, goes from 8 to 19. Another ring spanner. Here's one's on some bar, which got welded up from a friend. I didn't do that. And it's great for tensioners. It works great. Some more. It's just absolutely fantastic for pulleys, tensioners. Sorry. This one here, I've got, well, you name it. Spare batteries, a bulb, I don't know what's in there, glue, pens, exhaust putty, and magnet and scrapers and welding tips and stuff like that, and screwdrivers, and yeah. Next one down, I've got the drills. I think if you remember the review on them, I still cannot find the charger for the life of me, and this is just stuff that I use for inside stuff. Next one down, zip ties. You can never have enough zip ties, even huge ones. So I'll keep enough of them. Magnetic spirit level, as you can see there. Put it there just to show you. Allen keys and another screwdriver kit. Next one down is tablets from my partner. This one here is my socket drawer and stuff like that. So as you can see, I've got all my sockets here, step downs and step ups, hex bits, extension bars, ratchets, oil filter, tool. There's my new breaker bar. There's a smaller one there, and some keys and stuff like that. So got a good variety of sockets there. These are absolutely fantastic. I can't remember what they're called, but basically the more you undo it on a socket, on a for X's sakes, on a nut or bolt, the tighter it grips onto it and undoes it, so you can replace it. So they are really good. I've had them for a long while. And now this bottom bit here starts getting less inside because obviously I'm running out of room. I'm getting. I haven't got enough stuff to fill it. So here is. It's like a ratchet type screwdriver in there. This here is quite a good tool. I think I've shown you this. It's got bits, or you can have a bit where you can have a socket at the end. It's like an impact, so you can impact stuff off. This here is for undoing, or should I say, helping to undo bolts that have sheared off, or screws. This here is, hey, I was looking for that. Well, it's just, some of them are broken, of course you can see. This one here, this one here is kind of spares, to be honest, because I've got a bigger one for that. Next one down is for clutches, valve replacements, because also you got to reseal the valves when you take them out. This here is a good tool. You put this on your brake when you're bleeding your brakes. You put this on your brake, and you can pump it. And this is a one-way valve, so it can come out, but it can't breathe again, so you don't breathe in air. Syringes for when you get in those tighter spaces. This kind of, these here I use, basically I cut the heads off of head bolts. So basically you screw this in, and you can line your obviously it's all smooth at the top. You can line your there's not I'm struggling to get my words out today. Basically you screw this into your block, and then your head can go down over the top of it if there's nothing to keep it aligned. These are all lock and wheel nuts. These are handy to keep your cam belt on. Guys, I'm really sorry, I'm like really struggling today. And just those spare bits and bulbs and stuff. Next one down is kind of brushes and, well, it kind of explains itself there, doesn't it? This one here is literally the drawer you've got to have in every toolbox. This is a drawer that every toolbox should have, and I can fit it all in this one, so this is where it is. Next one down is the goodie one. So I've got my tyre gauge there, got blowgun. This here is what is for your underbody seal. 3/8 ratchet, 1/4 inch air ratchet, gun or drill, spare blowguns, impact gun. Very good tool this. Holy crap, this is an awesome tool. I've got the shakes. There's not much it hasn't undone. Air tool oil, and this one here is my air chisel, as you can see, which I think I showed you before. So I don't know how much of this you've seen last time. I don't know how much of this is new now. So, but I thought I would show you again, because why not, hey? I love tools, if you haven't noticed. So if I can, I'll be buying more when I can. But because my health got in the way and my memory went and stuff like that, it sucks. Let's put it that way. Now, this drawer here is, well, I'm still building up, is chisels and stuff like that, punches. This drawer here is my friend's tools, same that one. This here is my or wire connections, stuff like that. Spare stuff for whatever you want to use it for. Christmas present. This is my brake tool set, like brake calipers, so you can wind them back and stuff. Very good tool. Paid 50 quid for it ages ago. I bought most of my stuff from Clark, and I've only had one thing break, and that was my what do you call it? My engine crane, which got replaced. So this is pipes. Got brake pipe, coolant pipe, yeah, you name it, it's in here. Next one down is my hammers, my broken brake bar and pry bars and ball joint splitters and stuff like that. The last one is a mess. So I've got here is torque wrench, a tool for checking your antifreeze. These are stuff for welders, clamps for welders to hold metal together. Alternator tester, which can stick, which is handy. I need to replace the end of that actually. OBD reader, and in here is a tool for, yeah, Jesus Christ, I can't remember. I'm not with it today. I'm like most, I have good days and bad days, and unfortunately my bad days are horrendous and not very nice, unfortunately. and there's not a lot I can do about it. So it sucks to be me, because my bad days are awful, and today I seem to be having that bad day. So, but because I've got to have this top box closed down, what I do is I leave these pulled out, just so I can still get into them, like that, because the bottom box locks separately. So then I close that down, and then just close these up. Like so. Like that. And then you can see from the bottom ones how close it is, and then top ones is out. That's just so I can still open it. That's all it's there for. But yeah, my bad days are pretty damn awful. I hate them. My memory sucks. I quite often forget when I've done a video for you guys, and it's only stuff from years ago that I tend to remember a little bit. I could go out and be a mechanic now, but you learn new things every day, and when you undo something, you got to remember to put that back in, obviously. And that's what I've been having a problem with, is remembering stuff. So I had to leave my job. I loved it there. I'm not faulting Gary one bit, because Gary was a great boss where I used to work. I'm not going to mention his last name, but I miss it there. I do. But there's not a lot I can do. And yeah, if you ask me, do I miss working as a mechanic? Yeah, I do. Greatly miss it. But I don't want a chance putting people's lives at risk. If I'm working on brakes and I forget to do the brake caliper up, for instance, do you know what I mean? No, it's just, in my eyes, it's not worth it. So I made the one hard choice that I had to do, and I left, unfortunately. But it's what was best for his company. It's what was best for everyone else, including me, because I didn't want to get a bad name for myself. And I was really suffering with depression at the time. I've still got it now, but I'm managing it now, just with bad days and stuff. But yeah, it's just, it sucks. It's not nice. So anyway, guys, I gave you a little tour of my toolbox, because it's probably changed from the last one from you seen, if you've seen it. So but that's me, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully the sound works on this video. I'll be quite pissed if it doesn't. But thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you next time, hopefully.